welcome to Jesus Joshua YouTube channel. Welcome to Jesus Joshua YouTube channel. Welcome to Jesus Joshua YouTube channel. Welcome to Jesus Joshua YouTube channel.
Genesis chapter 10.
Oh, now these are all the generations of the sons of Noah. Shem, and Japheth, and into them were sons born after the flood. To the sons of Japheth, Gomer, and Magog, and Madai, and Javan, and Tubal, and Meshech, and Tiras, and the sons of Gomer, Ashkenaz, and Riphath, and Togarmah, and the sons of Javan, Elishah, and Tarshish, Kittim, and Dodanim, by these were the laws of the Gentiles divided in their lands, every one after his kind, after their families, in their nations. Six and the sons of Shem, Cush, and Mizraim, and Phut, and Canaan, Seven and the sons of Cush, Seba, and Havilah, and Sabtah, and Raamah, and Sabtechah, and the sons of Raamah, Sheba, and Dedan, eight and Cush begat Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one in the earth. Eight and Cush begat Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one in the earth. Nine, he was a mighty hunter before the Lord, wherefore it is said, even as Nimrod the mighty hunter before the Lord. And the beginning of his kingdom was Babel, and Erechol, and Akkad, and Canaan, in the land of Shinar. And built it Nineveh, and the city Riphath, and Calah. 12 entries in between Nineveh and Calah. The same is a great city, 12 entries in between Nineveh and Calah. The same is a great city. 13 and Mizraim begat Kittim, and Anamimo, and Lahabamo, and Naphtuhimo. 14 and Pathrasim, and Kezluhimo, out of whom came Philistim and Hephtamo. 15 and Canaan begat Sidon, his firstborn, and Hethol. 15 and Canaan begat Sidon, his firstborn, and Hethol. 16 and the Jebusite, and the Amorite, and the Jagazite. 17 and the Hivite, and the Orchite, and the Sinite. 18 and the Arvadite, and the Zemarite, and the Hamathite, and afterward were the families of the Canaanites spread abroad. And the border of the Canaanites was from Sidon, as thou comest to Gerar, and to Gazel, as thou goest and to Sodom, and Gomorrah, and Admah, and Zebormo, even unto Elishah. 20, these are the sons of Shem, after their families, after their tongues, in their countries, and in their nations. The father of all the children of Eber, the brother of Japheth the elder, even to him were children born. 22 the children of Shem, Elamo, and Asher, and of Axadon, and Lado, and Aramo. 23 and the children of Aram, Uzo, and Hulo, and Gether, and Mashal. Arphaxad begat Salah, and Salah begat Heber. 24 and Arphaxad begat Salah, and Salah begat Heber. 25 and then to Heber were but 2 sons. The name of one was Peleg, for in his days was the divided, and his brother's name was Joktan. 26 and Joktan begat Almadad, and Jelapho, and far amount of the east. 30, and they dwell in with Meshech, as thou goest into far amount of the east. 31, these are the sons of Shem, after their families, after their tongues, in their lands, after their nations, sons of Noah, after their generations, in their nations. And by these were the nations divided in the earth after the flood.
Like.
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 Bell notification subscribe. Bell notification subscribe.
Never give up. Never give up.
Thank you. Leave a comment below.